In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resume in Canva. We'll start right on the Canva homepage so you can follow along easily. Look toward the top menu and click on Templates. This is your shortcut to professionally designed layouts, and it keeps you from starting with a blank page. Opening templates first also helps you see what's possible before you commit to a particular style. In the Templates view, use the search bar and type Resume. Canva will instantly pull up a wide range of options, from minimalist one-page resumes to more creative designs. If you're applying to a traditional or corporate role, lean toward clean, simple layouts with strong headings and plenty of white space. If you're in a creative field, a bit of color or a unique layout can help your resume stand out while still staying readable. Take a moment to browse through the templates. Don't rush this part. As you scroll, think about your experience level, how much text you'll need to fit, and whether a single column or a two-column layout suits your information better. Preview a few designs and consider how your content will map onto them. Prioritize clarity. Hiring managers typically skim, so clear section labels and consistent spacing will work in your favor. When you find a template that fits your style and the role you're targeting, click on Customize this template. This opens the design directly in the Canva editor, where everything is flexible. You'll see pages, text boxes, and elements ready to adjust. Now edit the resume template to make it your own. Click on each placeholder text and replace it with your details, your name or headline at the top, a brief professional summary that highlights your strengths, your work experience with concise bullet-style achievements, education, and relevant skills. Keep descriptions action-oriented and measurable where possible. Adjust font sizes to establish a clear visual hierarchy. Your name and section headers should be more prominent than body text. If the colors feel too bold, switch to a simple palette with strong contrast for readability. You can drag sections to reorder them so your most relevant qualifications appear first. Remove any sections you don't need and keep the layout to one page if your experience allows. 2 pages are fine for more seasoned backgrounds, but make sure every line earns its place. As you edit, watch alignment guides to keep everything neat and zoom out occasionally to check overall balance. Proofread carefully and ensure dates, titles, and spacing are consistent. That's it. Your customized Canva resume is ready to represent you professionally.